Biggie. Say, hey guys, it's my first time out to a pet store. Where are we? Where are we, Biggie? We are here at Petco. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, Biggie. It's okay. All these things they have here. Go find some. Find something that you want to eat. No? Okay, let's try it over here. What about these, Biggie? Do these smell good? Okay. What about... Oh, what about these, Biggie? No, not interested on these at all, huh? No. Not really? Okay. So I think we'll go ahead and try these. Biggie, are these okay? Were those the one? So we got these little stick treats. We'll find out if he likes them or not. He's just very curious. Did you find another treat you want? Biggie? Something else you want? That one? Does that one smell good? You smell something you like? Done? Are we done? All right, let's go. Where are we going next? We're done? Okay. Pet him? It's a puppy.
He's soft. He's really sweet and soft.
You're welcome. Guys, so here we are with Kanye. As you guys probably saw earlier, I took Biggie to Petco and we picked out these snacks for them. So right now we're gonna see how Kanye likes them. They're wholehearted stick treats. Oh, okay. Sorry guys. He wants to make sure I'm petting him at all times. treats right here. I'm not sure if they sell them at PetSmart as well, but I know for sure they have them at Petco. They're grain-free, so if you're one of the dog owners that wants to make sure they're grain-free treats, these are definitely one of those. And these are the beef flavor. They had other flavored ones as well, but this is the one that we chose. Finished it, boy? Do you like it? She's not hiding here somewhere. Alright, well, it looks like Kanye was pretty happy with that. Let's see if he is even interested in another one. Oh, yes, he is. I'll just give him half of one more since... Oh! Can you face the camera, please? This way. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go get Biggie now. And we'll see how he likes these treats. He's really excited about these treats. As you can see, he already wants to just get it directly himself from the bag. Okay, Biggie, sit. Here, sit. Good Biggie. Okay, just keep sitting there. All right, here it is. So I am liking the fact that it does take the dog a while to eat it. They don't just swallow it. I like that. It's kind of something for them to just focus on, and kind of like the bone. They take their time. Keeps them busy, entertained. Let's see. Yeah, he's barely going to get some of that. So it's definitely taking him a while. I mean, he is a puppy. Yummy. Yeah. We chose a good treat. Yes, we did. All right, so not sure if it's just my puppy, but definitely puppies his age like it. Well, definitely gonna be buying these again. Biggie liked them, Kanye liked them. So far, money well spent. All right, say bye, Biggie. Say bye. Look it.